Hey everyone, welcome back to Glam Quiz. In today's video, we've got questions all about the characters and iconic scenes from the Minecraft movie. Be sure to hit like and subscribe to our channel. Let's dive in. Do you have any idea who's speaking?
You want to see a blade? I'll show you a blade.
It's the Garbage Man.
You want to see a blade? I'll show you a blade.
Next, whose voice is this?
You ever wonder what happens when you mix hot lava and chicken?
You're right, it's Steve.
You ever wonder what happens when you mix hot lava and chicken?
What about this one? Exactly, it's the pink sheep. Can you guess which character this is? It's the cute pandas. Whose voice is this? You're right, it's Creeper. Can you find the odd emoji in this group? Nice catch! That was fast. Can you guess this character?
Yeah, Garbage Man isn't speaking English or Espanol. What am I doing?
This is Dawn talking.
Yeah, Garbage Man isn't speaking English or Espanol. What am I doing?
Can you guess which character this is? It's their piglins. Can you tell whose voice this is?
Yeah, they're cool, Garrett. They're like nunchucks. Who are you?
Exactly, it's Henry.
Yeah, they're cool, Garrett. They're like nunchucks. Who are you?
Pay close attention. Who might this be? Iron Golem is the correct answer. Now let me know who's talking.
This guy is such a tool bag. This place makes no—
The answer is Natalie.
This guy is such a tool bag. This place makes no—
Can you guess which character this is? It's the villager. Which Minecraft character is this? It's Chicken Jockey. Next, any idea who's talking?
Gamer of the Year 1989. Whatever. I barely think about it.
You're right, it's Garbage Man.
Gamer of the Year 1989. Whatever. I barely think about it.
Listen carefully. Who's talking?
You know, he didn't have any personality. Not like you.
It's the vice principal, Marlene.
You know, he didn't have any personality. Not like you.
Can you guess which character this is?
This is a crafting table. Here's how it works.
It's Steve.
This is a crafting table. Here's how it works.
Can you guess whose voice this is?
You! What are you making? Oh!
Exactly, it's Malgosia.
You! What are you making? Oh!
Can you guess which character this is?
I can't stop singing this bloody tune.
It's Creeper.
I can't stop singing this bloody tune.
Can you figure out which character this is?
From Wikipedia.
It's Buzzy Bee.
From Wikipedia.
Can you guess which character this is?
Oh boy, you're jibbering, jabbering like an old man reminiscing of back in the war.
Fantastic! It's Enderman.
Oh boy, you're jibbering, jabbering like an old man reminiscing of back in the war.
Can you spot the emoji that doesn't fit? Exactly! You nailed it! Thanks for tuning in! Now let's dive straight into the next challenge. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting quizzes and updates.